To record screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26, all you have to do is just open the quick settings panel, and right now you are looking for a screen recorder icon. Now when you click on this, you can find two options. You can record full of your screen or only the partial screen. So we can select what kind of the screen you want to record. And when you scroll down, you can also find that option about audio recording. So you can only record your media sound or even media and the microphone. Or you can just don't record sounds, and additionally you can show taps and the touches. For example, if you want to teach someone how to do something, you have to click to start, you can skip that countdown. And now take a look. When you click on this icon, you can even view the camera and show yourself. And by clicking here, you can even mark something on that record. And by clicking here, we can change its thickness and the color. And now if you want to pause, you are clicking here, and if you want to finish, you are clicking here. And now all of your records you can find in the My Files by going into the videos.